Hello everyone, it's Italian time. Today we're gonna talk about adjectives. Adjectives are super important. Adjectives are like, for example, short, tall, beautiful, pretty, handsome, all these words.
Gorgeous.
Thank you. But let's get to it. In Italian, we have three categories of adjectives. Let's start with the first one. Adjectives that end in O. What do I mean by that? I mean, for example, you don't know how to say tall in Italian and you look it up and the first result on the dictionary is alto. There's an O. It ends with an O. If you have an adjective ending in O in a dictionary form, that adjective has 4 potential endings. You know how, same as a noun, if a noun is masculine, it usually ends in O. If a noun is feminine, it usually ends in a. If it's masculine plural, it ends with an I, E. And if it's feminine plural, it ends with an E, E. That's the same for adjectives. So if I'm talking about a tall man, I would be like un uomo alto. Un uomo alto, a tall man. Why would it be alto with un uomo? It's because uomo is masculine. So the masculine ending for adjectives, masculine singular, is O. Un uomo alto. What if it's una donna, a woman? How do I say a tall woman? Una donna alta. Why? Because the ending for singular feminine nouns is A. So I can say bello, bello is beautiful. If I want to say I am beautiful, I won't say io sono bello, because I'm a girl. Io sono bella. Brian è...
Bella.
No.
Bello.
Bello, because he's a man. So let's say the girls are pretty. We start with the feminine. Le ragazze, the girls, sono belle. E is the ending for feminine plural nouns. I ragazzi, the boys, sono belli. This was the first category of adjectives. For the second category, we have adjectives that end with an E, Italian E, on dictionary. So let's say I want to say intelligent. You look it up, you find intelligente. It ends with an E. It doesn't end with an O. It's a little bit easier because you only have 2 potential endings. One is for the singular, doesn't matter if it's masculine or feminine, and it's E, intelligente. So you can say an intelligent boy or an intelligent girl. Intelligente is always the same. Un ragazzo intelligente, una ragazza intelligente. And then you have another form with an E, with an I, so Italian I, intelligenti, for the plural. So if you want to say intelligent girls, le ragazze intelligenti, intelligent boys, ragazzi intelligenti. So the only thing you actually have to remember for adjectives ending in E is the singular and plural form. The gender doesn't matter anymore. Gender is only important for adjectives that end in O. Now, the third category is adjectives that end with any other vowel, so in any other letter. So, for example, you want to say the blue book, and you Google how do you say blue in Italian? Oh, it's blue. Blue. It ends with a U. Then there's only one form. There's only one ending. It's always blue. Doesn't matter if it's referring to a singular noun, a plural, masculine, feminine. Doesn't matter. It will always be blue. Blue house. Una casa blu. A blue book. Un libro blu. 2 blue houses. Due case blu. And it's the same for other adjectives. For example, pink. Pink is rosa. It ends with an A. It's not an O, it's not an E, it's an A. So we only have rosa. It could be a pink man. It doesn't matter. We will say un uomo rosa. There is no roso. And that's all for today. I think this was a clear explanation, I hope. But leave a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to check out our Patreon page. It's useful. Bye!